Steve with Windy Knoll again. Alright, so here's the situation. Started on this yard, it got wet, and I can't use my normal seeder, just tear it all to pieces. But what we'll demonstrate here is I'm using the Aeravator. And look at all the seed that's on the ground. Look right beside it after the Aeravator ran through. There's very little seed still on the ground. It's all mixed in, and I've done 2 yards this way, and I've actually gotten better results than the seeder that I've used before, and the seeder that I used before works great. So now we're going to go over here, and I got a spot that I got to put the seed in. You can see right here. I'm going to let you see the machine working and mixing the seed in. So let's get started. Much damage to the grass that he already had there. Once the rain hits it, you'll never even know the machine hit it. So as you can see, positive seed contact, the best way to sow your grass seed.